In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use plugins in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find plugins, how to turn them on, and how to configure the most helpful ones for your community. Start by opening your browser and searching for Skool. Look for the official Skool website in the results. It should clearly show the brand and take you to the main sign-in page. Avoid ads or lookalike links, and make sure the URL looks legitimate before you proceed. Once you're on the site, log into your account. For this walkthrough, you'll want an admin or owner role in the community you're managing, since only those roles can change plugin settings. If you manage multiple groups, confirm you're inside the correct one before moving on. Next, go to Settings. You'll usually find this via a gear icon or in the main navigation. Inside Settings, look for the Plugins section. This is your control center for enabling extra features that extend what your community can do. To turn on a plugin, click the plugin to open its details, then toggle it on. Some plugins will start working right away, while others will show you configuration fields. If you see a Save or Update button, make sure to confirm your changes before leaving the page. You can always return here to adjust or turn a plugin off later. Depending on the plugin you choose, you may be asked for additional information for it to function. This might include custom text, timing preferences, or data fields. Watch for any required fields or warnings, and fill them out carefully so the feature performs as expected. Let's look at 3 popular plugins. First, membership questions. This lets you add up to 3 questions applicants must answer before joining. Use this to screen for fit and collect helpful details like email addresses or social handles. Keep questions short and specific, and decide ahead of time what ideal answers look like so your approvals stay consistent. Next, Auto DM. When a new member joins, this automatically sends a personalized welcome message within 1 to 5 minutes. You can use tags like #name to greet them by name. Keep your message friendly, set expectations, and point them to a first action, such as introducing themselves or reading community guidelines. Finally, links. Add up to 3 permanent external links to your group's sidebar. These might include your main website, a knowledge base, or a support email. Use clear, concise labels so members know exactly where each link goes. That's it. Explore each plugin, fine-tune the settings, and keep things simple so your community experience stays smooth and helpful.